Did you know there are certain foods that can burn fat, kill cancer cells, and heal your body, all at the same time? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because in today's video, I'll show you 6 powerful foods backed by science that not only supercharge your metabolism, but also protect you from life-threatening diseases and repair your body from the inside out. Plus, I'll share tips on how to incorporate them into your daily life and explain why they work so well. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the specific foods, let's talk about how cancer starts. Cancer begins when abnormal cells in the body grow uncontrollably. This often happens due to DNA damage caused by free radicals, toxins, and chronic inflammation. Over time, these damaged cells can multiply and form tumors. What makes this even more alarming is that our diet and lifestyle can either contribute to or protect against these processes. The good news is that the foods we're about to discuss contain powerful compounds like antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, and detoxifying enzymes that target the root causes of cancer. They neutralize free radicals, repair DNA, and even prevent the blood supply to tumors, effectively slowing or stopping cancer growth. Let's start with turmeric, the golden spice of life. This bright yellow root contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown in numerous studies to fight inflammation, kill cancer cells, and even boost metabolism. Curcumin works by reducing oxidative stress and neutralizing free radicals in your body, 2 major culprits behind chronic diseases like cancer. Curcumin inhibits the growth of cancer cells by disrupting cell signaling pathways. It also reduces inflammation, which is a root cause of obesity and metabolic issues, aiding in fat loss. Curcumin has also been shown to block angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. A 2023 review published in Frontiers in Pharmacology found that curcumin not only helps prevent cancer, but also supports brain health by reducing neuroinflammation, potentially delaying Alzheimer's disease. Add turmeric to your meals, smoothies, or teas, but don't forget to pair it with black pepper. It enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. You can also try turmeric supplements for a stronger dose. Next on the list are blueberries, tiny but mighty. Packed with anthocyanins and antioxidants, these little berries are cancer-fighting powerhouses. They're also fantastic for repairing damaged DNA and boosting your metabolism. Studies show that regular consumption of blueberries can improve your body's insulin sensitivity, making it easier to burn fat. The anthocyanins in blueberries neutralize free radicals, preventing DNA damage and reducing inflammation that leads to cancer. Additionally, their low glycemic index helps stabilize blood sugar, making your body more efficient at burning fat. Blueberries also contain pterostilbene, which has been shown to inhibit cancer cell proliferation. According to a 2023 study published in Nutrients, consuming blueberries regularly has been linked to a 15% reduction in cardiovascular disease risk and improved cognitive function due to their ability to cross the blood-brain barrier. Snack on fresh blueberries, toss them into oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie for a delicious and nutritious treat. Freeze them for a refreshing snack during hot summer days. Now, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. These greens are rich in sulforaphane, a compound that detoxifies your body and reduces the risk of cancer. Cruciferous veggies are also high in fiber, which helps you stay full longer and supports weight loss. Sulforaphane activates your body's natural detoxification enzymes, clearing out harmful toxins and reducing cancer risk. It also stimulates apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. The high fiber content aids digestion and controls appetite, promoting fat loss. A recent article in Cancer Prevention Research highlights that sulforaphane activates detoxifying enzymes in the liver, enhancing the removal of harmful toxins and carcinogens from the body, which may lower cancer risk. Steam your broccoli or kale lightly to preserve the nutrients. Add them to stir fries or enjoy as a side dish. Blend kale into your morning smoothies for a nutritious kickstart to your day. Next is garlic. This kitchen staple isn't just for flavor, it's a natural medicine. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound with cancer-fighting and fat-burning properties. It boosts your immune system, detoxifies harmful substances, and even helps regulate blood pressure. Allicin kills cancer cells by inducing apoptosis, or programmed cell death, and inhibits fat accumulation by improving blood flow and reducing oxidative stress. It also disrupts carcinogens before they can damage DNA. A 2023 meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that garlic consumption was associated with a 23% reduction in colorectal cancer risk and significant improvements in cholesterol levels. Use raw garlic in your salad dressings or lightly sauté it to add flavor to your dishes while keeping its health benefits intact. For maximum potency, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. Moving on to green tea, the ultimate metabolism booster. Green tea is loaded with catechins, especially EGCG, which has been proven to enhance fat oxidation and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. It's also great for detoxifying your liver and reducing inflammation throughout your body. Catechins in green tea increase fat oxidation and thermogenesis, helping you burn more calories. They also suppress cancer cell growth by disrupting angiogenesis, the process that supplies tumors with blood. A 2023 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that drinking 3 cups of green tea daily can reduce body fat by 19% in overweight individuals, while its catechins may also reduce tumor growth. Drink 3 cups a day for maximum benefits. Pro tip: add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing twist and to enhance antioxidant absorption. If caffeine isn't for you, opt for decaffeinated green tea. Last but not least, let's talk about avocados, the creamy, delicious superfood. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. They reduce inflammation, improve nutrient absorption, and even help burn belly fat. Monounsaturated fats in avocados improve fat metabolism by reducing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol. Their high antioxidant content protects cells from cancer-related damage. Avocados also contain lutein, which has been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth. According to a 2023 article in Nutrients, avocados' high potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while their monounsaturated fats support cardiovascular health and reduce belly fat. Add avocado slices to your salads, use them as a spread on toast, or blend them into a creamy smoothie. For a healthy dessert, try avocado chocolate mousse, a rich and guilt-free treat. Now that we've discussed what to include in your diet, let's talk about the foods you should avoid. Certain foods not only contribute to weight gain, but also increase your risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Number 1. Processed meats like bacon, sausages, and hot dogs are classified as Group 1 carcinogens by the World Health Organization. They contain harmful compounds like nitrates and nitrites, which can damage DNA and promote cancer growth. Number 2. Sugary drinks like sodas and energy drinks are loaded with empty calories and have been linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and inflammation, all of which are cancer risk factors. Number 3. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, pastries, and other refined carbs cause rapid blood sugar spikes, fueling inflammation and creating an environment where cancer cells can thrive. Number 4. Trans fats found in margarine, fried foods, and packaged snacks. Trans fats are highly inflammatory and increase your risk of heart disease, obesity, and cancer. Number 5. Excessive alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some health benefits, excessive drinking increases the risk of several cancers, including liver, breast, and colorectal cancer. By reducing or eliminating these foods from your diet, you can lower your risk of chronic diseases and create a healthier foundation for your body to thrive. So, there you have it. 6 incredible foods that can burn fat, kill cancer cells, and heal your body. Which one of these foods is already a part of your diet? Or is there one you're excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. See you in the next video.